Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to share some tips and tricks on how to get free stuff on SHEIN. So make sure to stick around until the end to learn all the strategies to score freebies and save on your favorite fashion finds. So let's get started. First up, we have the SHEIN free trial program. This is one of the easiest way to get free items. And here's how it works. SHEIN lets you apply for free trial items every week. They select a few lucky winners who get to try out the items for free. And all you have to do is go to the free trial center on the website or app and choose the item you want to try and apply. And if you are selected, the item is yours to keep in exchange for leaving a detailed review. Simple, right? Make sure to apply for as many items as possible each week to increase your chances of getting selected. And do not forget to leave thorough and honest reviews. That's how SHEIN decides who gets picked for future trials. Another fantastic way to score free SHEIN goodies is by participating in their social media contests. SHEIN runs huge giveaways on their Instagram and X accounts, where all you need to do is follow them, like and comment on their post, and repost a screenshot of their post on your feed. It is one of the easiest way to win free clothes and gift cards from the retailer. Other amazing way to get SHEIN freebies is to sign up to become a SHEIN influencer and receive free clothes. Now, SHEIN's influencer program is a great way to get free clothes and earn some extra cash. For this, you simply have to fill out an online application, or you can send a pitching email. And if you're selected to be an influencer, SHEIN will send you a follow-up email in 7 to 10 business days, and you can negotiate a contract with them. Another way to get free SHEIN item is to download SHEIN Coupon Finder. And when you're ready to make your purchase, activate the extension on the checkout page and wait a few seconds for it to test all the available codes. The extension applies the largest discount before you make your purchase. Next up, let's talk about earning points. SHEIN has a point system where you can earn points by checking in daily, completing tasks, and leaving reviews. These points can be redeemed for discounts on your purchases, but if you save up enough, you can actually get items for free. Here's a pro tip: do not just let your points sit there. Keep an eye out for sales and redeem your points strategically to maximize your savings. You would be surprised how much you can get without spending a dime. And by simply checking in daily on SHEIN app, you can earn points, rewards, and 1 point is worth $0.01, but you can receive 73 points if you check in for 7 consecutive days. And once you earn enough points to get the clothes you want, simply apply them to your order on the checkout page. Now, the other way to get freebies is by participating in SHEIN's live streams. So SHEIN often hosts live streams where they share fashion tips, show off new products, and sometimes give away free items. During these live streams, you can win free products or earn points by participating in live chats. And SHEIN regularly hosts flash sales, seasonal sales, and had a great clearance section where you can find items at incredibly low prices. During these sales, prices can drop so low that when combined with points or coupons, you might be able to get items for free or just pay for shipping. Now make sure that you're subscribed to SHEIN's newsletter so you're always in the loop about upcoming sales. And one other method that you can follow is to purchase an e-gift card for extra discounts. So when you spend at least $200 on a digital gift card for 5% off your order, if you purchase a $200 gift card in the US, SHEIN automatically takes a percentage off of your order. For example, for a $200 gift card, you pay $190. And that's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.